guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have July's Fruit for Thought box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this should be the July 2025 Fruit for Thought box. I don't remember what this month's theme is. We're gonna find out. I do know, however, the upcoming months. So on their website, it shows that August is going to be watermelon lemonade. I'm so excited about that one. September will be caramel apple. October is going to be pumpkin spice. So this one here, you would not be able to get since it is already too late in this month. But if you sign up, you will get the August watermelon lemonade box. But I'm super excited to see what is now in the July box. So last month I went ahead and snagged a one-time box to show you guys. A few of you wanted to see more, plus I had missed it so much because it's been several years since I've had this one on my channel. And if you didn't watch the last one, I had asked the company to stop sending it to me years and years ago. Nothing against the company whatsoever. I asked a whole lot of companies at that time to kindly just take me off of their list because I was doing so much that I needed to cut back. And unfortunately, this is one of them that I cut back on, but I've always followed them. I've always missed it. I've always loved the great themes and everything around the themes. So the owner wanted to send me the box and I told her it's not really beneficial because I don't have the views like I used to. Don't get me wrong, I'm very grateful for the 100 to 200 views that I get now. However, for a business standpoint, it's extremely different because I used to get thousands of views per video back in the day, and now I only get like 100 or 200. Again, I'm so thankful for those, don't get me wrong, but as a business standpoint, it does not benefit an owner to send free PR when it's not going to benefit them. So I told her, you know, I would love to do your box, but I don't think you should send it to me because it's not going to benefit you. It's not going to benefit you. And I used to own a flower shop when I was 19 years old. So I started off already knowing like from an owner's aspect. So I'm always trying to look at the company side of it, not my side. I'm not just like, gimme. No. I'm like, nope, that's not going to benefit you. So she actually did generate a coupon code so I could save a little off of each box, and I snagged a 3-month subscription to show you guys. So short story long, but I did want to say she wanted to send it to me and I was like, I would love it, but it would not benefit you. So see, I don't just take everything, you guys. I literally tell companies a lot that it literally would not benefit them to send it to me. So this one I did pay for. I did get a discount. So thank you to the owner for giving me a discount for the boxes. But this will now be my first box out of my 3-month subscription. So I'll have those other 2 boxes coming. And then you guys can tell me if you want to see more or what you would like to do at that point. But I at least wanted to be honest and tell you guys what happened. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. Here is the tissue paper that you always get on top, which has the fruits and the vegetables with their sticker. And once we remove that, you don't get much of a sneak peek, but here's a sneak peek to inside of the box. So this July's theme, that's right, it's Tropical Sunrise. So that is the theme for this month. And on the back, it will give you a little bit more information about the products inside, but they do not give you pricing. So let's go ahead and start diving in and seeing what we have for this July Tropical Sunrise box. I'm so excited. So we'll move some squiggles. And the first thing that I'm finding right on top is this little guy. It says Little Joe Pina Colada. Oh, it's a car air freshener. How cute. So, I mean, you can literally, it's not just like food items or like household items. This is a car item. You can find really anything. It's like a little lifestyle and it all goes with the theme or the color or, you know, whichever. So I think that's so cool. You have a car air freshener and it's in the scent Pina Colada. So storm is coming. So I want to get this little guy in my car. Okay, so he's in my car. I was so hesitant because my whole entire kitchen smells amazing with this little guy in there, but I wanted to put it in my car and now it smells so good. That is so cute and I cannot wait to smell a pina colada up in my car. Nice and summery, yes. So let me see what it says actually on the card for this guy. Little Joe's US is not only the cutest home and auto air freshener on the market, but also the highest quality. You will receive a pina colada, auto small space air freshener, let's go to the islands, delightful juicy tropical scent, put a smile in the air with the Little Joe air freshener. Our fragrance oil infused lasts over 45 days with a nice ambient scent. So again, I'm super, super excited about that. Next up we have, it says True Lemon New Flavor Passion Fruit Lemonade. Oh, are these packets to mix in your water? Yes, they are. So there's 10 packets. That's awesome. So you have 10 of these that you just put into a water bottle. So you can have 10 different water bottles full with passion fruit lemonade made from real lemons. Sip your way to a tropical passion fruit lemonade escape made with real lemon juice and oils and a sweet tart passion fruit flavor. The passion fruit lemonade adds a burst of exotic delight to your water. No matter where you are, it's your ticket to paradise. And that is cool because you can drop these in your purse, and if you're ever out and you want to just add a little spruce to your water, you can. So on the go, anywhere you want, you can have a passion fruit lemonade flavored water. So there's item number 2. Up next we have is a Cabana foaming sugar scrub. Ooh, that sounds amazing. I, however, don't really do a whole lot with the sugar scrubs. Plus, I hear it's not good to put down your drains, and we have horrible, horrible plumbing here. Oh, it smells absolutely amazing. I will go ahead and pass this down or give it to like one of his sisters or something like that to use, because I know it's probably going to be an amazing product. It smells super, super good, but I just don't really use those type of products in my shower just because of our plumbing. Once we move, if we have better plumbing, by all means, I'll be lathering it all over my body, just not my face, because I can't stand it near my hair. It reminds me of sand in my hair. So I don't do the face scrubs, that's for sure. But this one right here, it smells amazing. And it says cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize all in one step. The foaming sugar scrub have a thick consistency and are amazing at buffing away dead skin. You will receive a huge 10-ounce container in one of assorted tropical scents. So again, I got Coco Cabana, so it could have been a different flavor or a different scent, and they'll be sent at random, but the same exact size. And that is a really great size. So somebody is definitely going to enjoy that, and it smells so good. All right, so there are is it one more item? Nope, there's still 2 more items in here. This is a carpet fresh. That's interesting. I never thought I would find something for my carpet in this box. It is Island Nectar, orange peel, mango, peach, sugar crystals, and coconut milk. Let's smell this though. Like, I'm excited for your carpet, you guys. Like, that is so cool. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. It says Island Nectar with the orange, the mango, the peach. Oh, you can smell all of that. It smells amazing, and it's in this nice little powder form. Actually, let me take that out of there because I want to use the top. The top has a little, it's kind of like a spice jar where you can sprinkle, and then it shows like a spoon on this side. So you can sprinkle or pour on the top of the lid, but that is awesome. So it says you will receive a 10-ounce Island Nectar. Oh, this is by the same brand of the sugar scrub. Scented with a tropical blend of mango slices, pineapple chunks, and orange zest, topped off with a splash of coconut milk. Such a quick and non-toxic way to freshen up a space. Sprinkle on the carpet or a rug or even in a vehicle. Highly recommended, this is what it says. Let it sit, then vacuum up. The stronger it sits, the stronger and longer the fragrance gets. I'm really excited about that. To sprinkle on my carpet, I'm really excited about that. Okay, and the last item, it's like a big old shish kebab, and this thing has some weight to it. It is, oh, it looks like the top would have been like a star and one side fell off, but look at how cute. It just, yeah, see, it just came off a little bit, but look at how cute in all of those like gummies. It says Forever Sweet Candy Kebabs. back for a second time. Under the sea fun and colorful gummy kebab is what it says for this one. And they feel super, super soft. So none of them are hard. They're just like really, really gushy. Oh, I cannot wait. When my man gets home, I'll open this up and we can start enjoying that. But yeah, you have this whole kebab that you can eat. So you have a little sweet treat. You have a sweet smelling for your carpet or rugs or in your car rugs. That's awesome. You have a sugar scrub that smells phenomenal. You have the boost your water to make it a passion fruit lemonade. And then you have this cutest little air freshener that you can set anywhere or put in your car air vent. Okay, you guys. So that is everything for this July sunrise tropical box. What do you think? I'm so excited that there's a car air freshener and a carpet freshener. And then this sugar scrub, again, if we had better plumbing, I would definitely use this like on my legs, my stomach, my arms, that kind of thing. But I will gladly pass it to one of his sisters who will love to use it and smell phenomenal. But I'm loving this box. I can't wait to have my little fruit, flavored water and the kebab, and I cannot wait to sprinkle that on my carpets and my rugs and smell that amazing scent throughout my house. So I'm actually really pleased with this box. If you get this box, or if you got this box, or if you wanted to get the box, what would be your favorite item in here? What would you like out of the entire box? What themes coming up would you like to get? Definitely let me know. If you would like a little bit more information about this box as far as the pricing, I will let you know right about now. I do still have my code that is active that they set up for me years ago if you would like to utilize. It is Crafty10, and that will save you 10% off. You can do month per month, and the box is $44.99, or you can save a little and go to a 3-month prepaid plan for $128.97. And then they also have the one-time gift box if you wanted just to grab one box with no commitment, that kind of thing. That's what I did last month. And now I got a 3-month. I just love the box. I love how they curate it. I just love to see the different things inside and how they revolve around that whole theme or scent or color or whichever. So I love that. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. I will have them listed in the description box down below. You can pop on over to their site. And again, Crafty10 will save you 10% off if you are interested. If you'd like to see other companies learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. So that is everything that I have for this video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.